In order to remove the lock, you need a 50mm wrench. The best way is to put it in here and just loosen it. Then using a finger to remove the nuts, and that should be able to remove the cylinders. And once you replace with new cylinders, make sure it's turning on. There's one little bit key here. You make sure the cylinder turn toward the top. Then insert into there's a key to hole. Insert in. Put the nut in. Then using 50mm to tie it up. Okay, once it's tied up, put the bracket facing up in. And secure with the screw in the center. Okay, and holding the key or holding the pin as the bracket, tighten it. Okay, so this way the key will always face out when you remove.